Hi everybody, it's Mom
and Mac.
And we have our first special guest today. This is my son Morgan. Say hi, Morgan.
Hi.
He's super thrilled to be here. So Mackenzie decided that she wanted us to have a pancake contest to see who can make the best pancakes. So that's what they're gonna do. I'm gonna make my own, but I'm gonna let these two get to work on what they have done. So Mackenzie's gonna start. Why don't you walk us through what you're using today?
So I have this Hungry Jack Belgium waffle mix that I'm using as cake mix, and I just grabbed a cup of that and put that in, and then I put a cup of water, or half a cup of water, and a half a cup of almond milk, because we don't have any regular milk.
Yeah, we don't keep regular milk here.
None of us like it.
We're dairy free. Oh, you got a fork? Okay.
Yeah.
So Mackenzie's doing her just classic, add milk and water to the mix.
And then I'm going to add peanut butter to it.
I'm doing a special recipe.
Morgan is making his from scratch. And mine are going to be
very special.
Very special. I just saw these on Instagram the other day and decided to give them a try. So these are Pam cakes. Morgan, you remember Step Brothers?
Yeah, Pam
cakes. Pam cake pancakes. So they are high protein pancakes. This is a just add water. This is white chocolate chip is the flavor I'm using today. We'll see how this goes. I've had some issues in the last year with whey protein. So like the Kodiak cakes, I can't have those anymore. They upset my stomach. So we'll see what happens here. But I want to tell you what Mackenzie's got going on. So I'm going to turn this down just a little bit.
Okay.
So she's melted some peanut butter. She's going to put that in her mix.
I'm scared. It was chunky too.
Yeah, by the way, we've never done this before this way. So we'll see.
Yeah.
It's going to be...
They call me Morgan Ramsey.
I think you're going to need more mix.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So if, as you know, your pancake mix shouldn't be watery.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also, I didn't measure how much peanut butter, I don't think.
No, you didn't, because I did.
Yeah.
Vegetable oil. I'm not putting that in.
Yeah, the more liquid you have, the waterier it becomes. Do you want to put some cocoa powder in here? Put it in the fridge. Oh wait, I gave you an egg. Here.
You did?
You just need one, right?
Yeah.
We tried our best to be prepared ahead of time. Oh yeah, new snowman vibes. I don't think this is official.
It says Savage AF on it.
It's super soft. So totally representing today. But I got it, 2 days ago? Haven't taken it off.
Excuse me.
And Morgan's got a new hat. Show me your hat. Snowman vibes. It's all about the fam. Okay, what are we going to use on the griddle?
I guess butter? Do we have cooking spray?
We have cooking spray somewhere.
I don't think so. There wasn't any.
You want me to go get it?
Do we have any?
I don't know. Let me go see.
Okay.
Talk to the people.
Okay. So I'm just going to mix it up until it's a good consistency. I don't like that word. And making sure there's no chunks. This one over here is a little aggressive. You getting some anger out over there?
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, shoot, I need to add mine.
And of course I have to add my signature sprinkles because I love sprinkles. They're just my favorite.
I'll do just one
Pan spray. All right. So I'm gonna probably do this part just to keep it not from getting too messy. I you can put more than that.
Now I'm gonna mix all my sprinkles in.
Mix your sprinkles. Ooh, they're like springtimey sprinkles. Are you gonna put any chocolate chips in there?
Maybe. I don't like chocolate chips. I don't like chocolate chip pancakes.
But I feel like peanut butter and chocolate chips go hand in hand in my hair.
Maybe I will.
All right, hurry up. This thing's gonna start burning off your Pam.
Okay.
Pam. Hello, Miss Lady.
Okay.
Ooh, these are gonna be good.
Okay. So I just use a tiny little ladle, like a soup ladle.
And put them on. And I'm not putting them on because I'll make a mess, so.
Yeah.
And this one over here is getting his anger out.
Put some chocolate. chocolate.
Now Morgan's gonna be making, his are gonna have chocolate in them.
For sure.
Double chocolate.
We can add now we can add more chocolate chips if you want.
Yeah, we can make some with chocolate chips, I guess. I personally, when I make pancakes, think that if you put chocolate chips in the mix, it mixes a heck of a lot better than when you like just put them on top. Yeah. Okay, so just putting a couple of chocolate chips in.
I need to put some more in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let me. I think I'm gonna move this down.
Okay. Do you want me to move
So
to
that you
this
guys
side?
can see what we is doing here. Whoops. It's kind of a mess in here, but at least you guys can kind of see the griddle. And here Morgan's
Chocolate chips falling.
yeah, he's dropping chocolate chips
No, I'm
everywhere.
not.
Okay.
It's closed.
All right. Here we go. So, pancakes. And we're just gonna wait for them to start bubbling up.
Can I try to flip it?
Sure.
Actually,
Mackenzie's
I don't
gonna.
know if I trust myself.
Okay.
Almost done.
So, do you know how to know when it's time to flip?
It starts bubbling and there's like little crispy corners.
Yeah. So I like my stuff a little ooey gooey. So when I make my pancakes, I do them. I thought it just went off. I
that was
leave them
ridiculous.
a little undone. What are
Yeah.
you doing?
I'm
Are you didn't do yours there?
Yeah.
Yours need more flour.
They do? Okay.
It's way too watery. What else did you put in here?
Egg stuff.
Did you use baking powder, baking soda, sugar?
I use sugar.
See how this goes. They need some. Is the recipe didn't call for that?
Sorry, the old Taylor can't come to the phone right now.
Hold on, I'm putting flour in here.
Why?
Why are these taking forever? Okay. I feel like I know who's gonna win this contest.
And me?
You.
We'll see.
Mom, this is...
Yeah, sure, Mom. We'll see.
Okay.
Oh, this looks good. Let's
Okay.
try
I'm gonna
adding
move this again just because this is kind of weird. Oops.
Okay, I'm gonna grab my main topping.
There we go. Mom, that's much better. Chocolate pancakes.
Okay.
This
Technical
is it's
difficulties.
thicker.
Okay, that's good.
That's good. Mission accomplished.
All right, so we're gonna let these finish up.
Yeah, you love to work in the dark, don't you?
No, I like
It's
it better.
better lighting.
It's better lighting in the dark.
Yeah.
I like natural light better than the fake light.
Yeah. We're all natural, baby.
Okay. You can leave it on.
No, I don't like it.
None of us do.
Make the lighting look weird.
All right, so we're gonna let yours finish up here. You keep an eye on them. I'm gonna make up mine. Where did it go?
It actually smells so good.
I'm putting butter in here to cook this instead of pan spray.
I'm also gonna add a little bit of marshmallow fluff with some sprinkles on top when they're done to make them a little bit pizzazzed.
Try and keep your windows either shaded.
Hey, we're videoing right now. Do you have a third of a measuring cup over here?
Yeah, 1/3.
Yeah. Okay.
See, I missed the unit in facts where we would make pancakes because I was at a door school, so haven't really done it yet by myself.
Okay.
Okay, I'm good.
So, Pam and her pancakes here recommend letting the batter sit for 1 to 3 minutes before cooking to ensure ultimate fluffiness.
I need a scooper.
Okay, I'm gonna go decorate. Are you using that over there? Because I don't want to do it.
I don't know.
Here, you can use
Can I get a?
this
Can I
area
get a? Thanks.
while I'm over here. How about
So this just is 1/3 cup of mix with
I need that spoon.
what?
I said nothing. I need that spoon because I'm getting it everywhere.
What spoon?
The ladle thing.
Husband's in a mood, so you don't want to make sure you don't upset him anymore. Making a mess. Okay.
I think this is gonna be buttery. I'll flip this.
All right. Equal amounts of water is what I'm gonna use.
Can you open this?
I'll be able to flip this actually. Do you think I'd be able to flip this
Guys,
without
I
getting
promise I'm strong.
pancake mix everywhere? You think I'd be able to flip this without getting pancake mix?
I don't know. Do it on camera. Let's see. Let's see. Can you do it? Can you step back that way a little bit towards Mackenzie?
Okay.
Oh. Nope. Nope.
Oh, I don't know about this.
Okay, give me that. I'm just too scared to do that. I can do it with the quesadilla, but
Okay. I'm gonna mix up mine. This
I
is
folded it.
a little watery.
I'm
So.
ahead of everyone. I'm
Okay,
already
so mine's a
decorating.
little too watery. I know you guys can't really see, but I'm gonna add more mix. I doubled up the recipe. These are little tiny bags. I got 3 of them because I wasn't sure which ones I was gonna like the most. So I figured I'd try a couple first and then go from there. Okay. All right. I always like to wipe my griddle off, depending on if I'm using a little pan or if I'm using an actual
Where
griddle.
am I gonna put these?
You're
On a
using
plate?
pan?
Well, I don't have a plate.
Well, why don't you get one? We're in the kitchen. They're here.
What are plates?
Oh, I can do it now.
We're gonna be contaminating
Mom.
here. Oh, these are gonna be really runny.
Oh, these are gonna be really good.
All right.
Pam and her pancakes are good.
Pam's pancakes. Use
Get
pro
the
tip.
water hot.
Use less water than the recipe calls for.
Tuberculosis.
I'm okay. All right. Well, you know, you guys get bored just sitting there watching us stir things. So I'm gonna try and hurry up a little bit. I feel like this is still too watery. Uh-oh.
You can definitely taste the peanut butter. I was taste testing, making sure it's good. Good.
Okay, we're gonna let this sit like Pam recommended.
Pam. Just
Pam.
Pam.
Pam's cakes. Pam pancakes.
Oh. I'm gonna try this. Next.
You're burning this.
No, I'm not.
Turn that down.
Oh,
You're burning that.
is that what burnt?
You see the smoke coming off of it?
It's not burning.
Yeah, it's kitchen. I don't know.
Okay. Y'all didn't see me do that. Alright, I'm gonna make the rest of Mackenzie's because hers are done. They're so, yours are like the opposite of mine. Yours are super thick.
And fluffy.
And mine are super watery.
Mine
You're not supposed to eat them until we're all done.
I'm taste testing.
You're not supposed to taste test anything till we're all done.
These are my pancakes.
You're not supposed to eat anything, Morgan. Wash your hands.
Mm.
You're on TV.
You're on national television.
That's right. You gotta wash your hands. You can't pull a Guy Fieri.
But I am Guy Fieri.
Mom didn't raise no. You said everybody getting the. Mom didn't raise no Guy Fieri. Take it.
Alright.
Take mine. Let's.
Oh, we did it. I won't eat that.
Why?
That is just straight sugar.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I'll have these without the extra
Yeah. Okay.
additional crack. Okay, Pam's pancakes. Looks like we need to try again. Yours ready?
I just have one ready.
Okay.
I'm ready to be a waitress. Look at this.
Alright, I need to get. I'm flipping on. Oh, it's not cooked.
Yeah. These are taking forever today.
Yeah, they are.
I'm already done.
Yeah, because you were the first one to go. Nice job. All right, Mackenzie, why don't you tell people at home what you did with your pancakes?
I added a bit more sugar.
All right, come over and show them
Okay.
and tell them what it is.
They look like pancake cupcakes. Okay, so I added marshmallow fluff. And then I added sprinkles, white,
These
and
aren't looking too happy, but
star-shaped sprinkles. Oh, those are these mine? Or
Yes.
these things won't flip.
This is the pancakes. Can you give me another plate? These are pancakes. They're looking a little
floppy.
little flat. We'll see.
That's good.
That's good. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. A couple more minutes, and we're just gonna dig in and try them. Do you want to put yours on here, Morgan? Do you want to put those on here? Sure. Okay.
Those look good, Morgan.
All right. I still feel like
Look, it said 2 to 3 pancakes.
Pancakes.
We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because I already ate one.
I feel like I'm gonna have to keep trying with these pancakes, the protein ones. I can make my own protein pancakes with egg whites and oatmeal, or I've done it before with just yeah, these are like really flat. Oh, Pam, I don't know,
Which
Pam.
one is for us? Which one did you use the chocolate?
The white chocolate.
Yeah.
I don't trust Food Network.
Why? That's Martha Stewart recipe right there, son.
Oh, I don't trust Martha Stewart.
Why? I trust Martha Stewart.
Ready? Watch out.
That's the only recipe I use for stuff.
Oh,
When you're doing that, you should do it on the camera so that they can see what you're doing.
That's good.
See my skills.
Can you show them again?
I can't flip now because
Move this way. Yeah. Yay. Do it. Do it. Floppy pancakes. Okay. Are we close, you think?
I still got one more to go.
Well, we can put it on hold and have our taste test contest, right?
Yeah, you should.
Okay.
After this one's done.
All right. Yeah, let me finish what's on my griddle, and then we will have our contest.
Now
We
these
all
are
know
flipping good.
who's going.
What?
I said now they're flipping.
Oh,
It's
I thought you meant like, ooh, they're flipping good.
it's either between these two who are gonna
Flip it.
win. I can already tell.
Really good.
Well, I mean, here's the thing. We're the only ones tasting, so you know.
We should have Raph taste and be like,
Raph's in a mood.
the highest anyone would get if Mr. Raph was taste testing would be a 4.
Here, taste this mine.
He has very high standards. No, we can't. No.
Never mind, this one's not done.
Okay, that's fine.
I'll eat that one then. I'll have this one. That's my favorite.
Yeah, this one's not good.
Okay. Almost there?
I gotta finish this one. You guys can try that.
What'd you do to this?
I know, it's like,
I flipped it on itself.
No, what's wrong with it? Can
Is
you
it
guys
not
see
cooked?
it?
it's like flat.
It's weird.
Alright, are you ready?
There's
Taste test.
you didn't put there had to be baking soda or baking powder in that recipe.
There wasn't.
Let me see it.
I think there.
There had to be because there's nothing in that raised it. This might be a flop.
Literally.
It says. Bacon. I missed the 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Well, there you have it.
There you have it.
Here, we gotta do
Okay,
that.
let's-
Where's the baking powder?
Too
It's
late
fine.
now. It's too late now.
I'm gonna do it to this.
It doesn't matter. It's
Okay,
all
let's
that.
taste
It's too
test
late.
right
Too
now.
late.
I'm gonna do it later then.
Okay,
Move,
we'll do it later.
move.
You can. There's so much love in this house this weekend.
Guys,
It's
watch
unbelievable. Morgan.
That's a big pancake.
Where's the teaspoon, whatever?
Ooh, that one's rising though.
Yeah,
All
where's
right,
the teaspoon?
we're gonna get ready and have our taste test. You wanna grab some
Where's
forks? I don't know.
Tablespoon.
Where'd you put it?
Yeah.
I gave you the teaspoon, so you have it. It doesn't. You can't, Morgan. You can't put a teaspoon in it now
Why?
because you don't know how much is in here.
It's 2 teaspoons, so I'm gonna put 1.
test Morgan's. Oh, he's making his
Okay.
other one, since he can't really judge his own.
Alrighty then.
Let's see this.
These ones are looking better. These are pancakes. They look better than the first.
This one is the biggest
Where's the,
of the
where's
bunch.
the ladle thing?
You don't stir with the ladle. You
where's-
stir with a fork.
Okay.
No, you just. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, eat mine. Just try it.
Just do yours on this one.
Where's the ladle?
I don't know.
You don't know it.
I don't know where the ladle is.
Morgan, let's just taste test something. Now in the
We are videoing, so can we just taste test?
Yeah.
All right, listen. I think we're gonna have to just bag this and restart.
No. Okay, now we have to.
Why?
Never mind.
Okay. All right. I got one of Morgan's, one of mine. Oh, I don't know if I just want a bite of the other one.
No, just take this one.
Wait a minute. Use this. This is on. This is ready to go.
Okay.
Is that one?
But can you just wait and can we do this so that we can finish this video up?
I don't want to try any. I'll try mine.
The whole purpose of this was because we were having a contest
Yeah.
with your hands. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So this is Morgan's.
Yeah, I like it. It's disgusting, isn't it?
I don't like the outside.
It's like paste. That's just because of the not having the baking powder. All right, this is pancakes. What'd you think of the?
I said it's okay. This looks like grandma's pancakes, like the ones that you would microwave. That's not bad.
Not
I
bad.
can taste eggs.
There's no egg in it.
I know, but it feel like I can taste it.
There could be eggs in the batter.
A little dry for the pancakes. All right. Moving along to Mackenzie's.
No, you can have these.
I'm gonna try one of these that has
Where's the flipper?
marshmallow.
Okay.
Marshmallow and
Sprinkles.
sprinkles on her peanut butter pancakes.
Aww.
When ready?
I did that all the time.
That hits the spot.
Well,
I don't think that hits the spot. I think it's just...
I think it'd be good without all that junk on top. That's way too much sugar for me. But
Can I try this? I'm going to use my hands, so I can't do that.
just try one. It's fine. You already eat with your hands and argued on camera, so we're not perfect. In front of the camera?
I like
Which one did you use?
This was mine.
this
Oh.
one, hers, that one.
Yeah, no, I just grabbed one.
That's Mackenzie's.
That's mine.
Oh, it tastes like corn.
Corn?
Corn with chocolate.
Where's the other one? Oh, here. There was one that didn't have... Alright, I'm gonna try this one. Okay, this is Mackenzie's without all the sugar on top. Okay.
I actually like that one that Mackenzie made without any sugar. That was good.
Without any sugar?
On
I mean,
top.
Yeah.
Okay, well... so this contest,
Wasn't really a contest.
kind of a flop.
Well, not if you try mine now.
Alright, we're gonna wait till these are cooked and then we'll decide. If I had to pick right now, I'd probably say Mackenzie's are the best
Without the stuff on top.
without the stuff on top.
Well, that's why I made two kinds.
Where was the
The pancakes look dry.
pancakes are pretty dry.
Is this one a pancake?
Flat as
that's dry.
Mama made flat kids, I made thick kids.
Yeah, unfortunately I think the pancakes need some work. which sucks. I just want to be able to like add water and go. I will say the Kodiak cakes taste good, but they destroy my stomach. I can't eat those anymore. It's just not worth the stomach ache that I have afterwards. But
There you go. All right, I'm gonna try this.
all right, why don't you just break off a piece?
Ah, they're hot.
Okay, so I think we did a few things wrong as far as these recipes go, but you know what? This was their opportunity to do what they wanted, and
Try 'em.
I think we had fun.
I like to like this.
I think when you did you put cocoa powder in here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know the style. I don't think I have the stomach
That's good.
capacity for this many pancakes.
That's why you just take bites. You don't need a whole one.
It's good.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. So as it stands now, pancakes.
Disgusting.
Well, they're not
Last place.
disgusting. They're not disgusting, but I definitely need to work with at least this white chocolate chip pancake mix. I don't know.
I
I'm
think
gonna have to mess with it and see if I can make it better.
I do like mine a lot.
I think it's a tie between Morgan and Mackenzie. Mackenzie's peanut butter pancakes good without the extra stuff on top. Morgan's good,
Good with
Filled in
with
the, and
baking
the
soda
first, but
once he added the baking
powder.
powder. You can't miss the baking powder.
yeah, that
Or the
was
baking
a problem.
soda.
I like these a lot.
Okay, clearly.
I'm not eating these on camera though.
All right. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. And if you guys want one of our crappy pancake recipes, let me know.
Mine's not crappy.
I don't think you want one, but
Make
you
sure
might.
you click like and subscribe, obviously.
Obviously. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. Thank you.